Hey everyone! I'm really excited to share something I've been working on over the past week. A personal finance dashboard packed with tools that can truly help in our day-to-day financial decisions. Right now, it's still in the testing phase, so a few features might be incomplete. But today, I'll walk you through what it looks like and how it works. Let's dive right in. First up is the EMI calculator. When you click on it, you can choose the type of loan, home, car, business, etc. I'm selecting business loan here. I'll enter 1 crore as the amount, a 9.5% interest rate, and a 7-year term. The EMI comes out to 1,63,440 rupees. It also shows the total repayment of 1.37 crore with a split between interest and principal. You get a clear repayment schedule, charts, and even an export option for future reference. Next, we've got the investment tools. Let's start with the CAGR calculator. You can calculate either the final amount or the CAGR itself. For example, 1 lakh invested at 10% CAGR grows to 1,61,051 rupees in 5 years. And if you want to know the CAGR that turned 1 lakh into this amount in 5 years, it calculates that for you too. Then there's the SIP calculator. 10,000 monthly SIP at 12% for 10 years grows to 23,23,391 rupees. Or, if you want to know how much to invest monthly to get certain amount at 10%, it gives you that as well. Lastly, the NPS calculator. Let's say you invest 5,000 monthly for 30 years at 10% return. The corpus at age 60 will be 1.13 crore. 60% is available as a lump sum, and 40% goes to a pension fund. With a 6% annuity return, the monthly pension comes out to 22,793 rupees. Now on to the insurance calculators. I recommend starting with the insurance need tool. You enter your income, age, dependents, loans, expenses, and it gives you life and health insurance recommendations. Even better, it shows the logic behind the recommendation, and you can click to apply that coverage directly to the premium calculator. You can check the entire inputs that you gave along with what was the logic applied behind the calculation. Here it shows the other options available like critical illness and all with change in premium if opted. You can also filter premiums based on gender and age. The income tax calculator helps you check your tax under old and new regimes from assessment year 2022 to 23 to 2026 to 27. For example, on 13 lakh salary income, it shows a tax of 66,300 rupees with an effective tax rate of 5.1%. You can also save and reload calculations later. Finally, here's the tool I'm most proud of, the spend tracker. This took alerts if you exceed limits. For example, education was capped at 8,000 but 25,000 was spent, so it gives a warning. You get an overview of total expenses, spending trend charts, and a category-wise pie chart. You can modify category limits too by clicking on to the set limit icon, which allow you to set limit for each category. Tabs include a trend view, month-to-month, week-to-week, comparison charts showing total spend with split of card spending and saving account spending, breakdown view by category and source, and a transaction tab where you can add and review individual expenses. You can manually add any expense entry like this and choose category, source, date, amount, etc. Even import data from Excel or PDF and save your user data for later. As you can see here that post one entry that we added manually, entire data in Overview tab has been updated like total spend, charts, etc. There is also one little icon just before dashboard icon on top for to toggle between light and dark theme. Thanks so much for watching this walkthrough. I'd love to hear which feature you like the most. Please like, subscribe, and share. It really supports my work.